In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your GIMP workspace to its default settings, a useful trick for when your layout has been customized to the point that navigating it feels more like a puzzle than a tool. First and foremost, let's get started by opening your GIMP software. If you're not already familiar, GIMP stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program and is a fantastic open source graphics editor, perfect for tasks such as photo retouching, image editing, and creative design. You may already have a shortcut on your desktop, or you might need to search for it in your applications folder. Either way, launch it and let it load. Once GIMP is open, you'll notice that the interface can sometimes become a bit overwhelming, especially if customizations have altered the window layouts and positions. Perhaps you've experimented or tried to find the best setup for your workflow, but things have shifted and it no longer feels intuitive. No worries, we're going to bring it back to the intuitive setup you first encountered when you started using GIMP. Now direct your attention to the top menu bar and you'll spot the Edit option. Click on Edit, and from the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Preferences. It's within this Preferences section that many great features and options lie, allowing users to tailor their GIMP experience to their liking. For our purpose today, we're focusing on resetting window positions. In the Preferences panel, look to the left side where you'll see various expandable menu items. Go ahead and find the section titled Window Management. Click on it to reveal its contents. Window Management controls how windows appear, stack, and remember their positions on your screen. If you've accidentally resized or dragged your toolboxes and docks to awkward places, this is where you can restore harmony. You'll see an option labeled Reset Saved Window Positions to Default Values. Clicking on this will revert everything back to how it was initially set up when you first installed GIMP. It's like a fresh start without affecting your personalized tools or settings. It's important to note that using this function will only impact the layout of your windows. It won't delete any custom brushes, fonts, or plugins you may have added, so you can feel confident clicking this without the fear of losing any critical customizations you've made beyond the layout itself. And just like that, we're all done. Your GIMP workspace should now look neat and orderly, perfectly set up for you to unleash your creativity without the clutter. This reset can be extraordinarily handy, particularly after sharing your computer with others or trying out new layout experiments. It ensures you can quickly and easily get back to familiar ground. I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy editing with your newly refreshed GIMP. Feel free to comment below if you have any further questions or need additional tips.